welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing some more deep cleaning, decluttering, more Konmari. Just to give a quick disclaimer, I am by no means a die-hard minimalist, but I have always enjoyed living a very simple, decluttered lifestyle, kind of like essentials only. But I found since having kids, I have accumulated so many things. So yeah, let's begin. Here's Jake's closet. It's not terribly unorganized, but that's not the issue. The issue is the overwhelming amount of clothes. There's so many, and I organize them, or at least I try to, in long sleeves, sweaters, pajamas, t-shirts, pants, you saw there. I don't know about anyone else's 3-year-old, but mine changes clothes constantly throughout the day. Not to mention, if I fall behind in laundry one week, it is so hard to get back on top of it. 90% of these clothes were given to us by my very generous husband's cousin from her little boy, and that's exactly what I'll be doing today. All the ones that I find I don't need, I'll be passing on to one of my girlfriends for their little boys. Using the Konmari method, if it sparks joy, keep it. If it doesn't, thank it for its purpose and send it on its way.
In the toaster, waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlet J and then Natalie P. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. Just an ordinary day, I was making my way. Who would have known I spent my last nickel on the super mega winning ticket? I was feeling kinda wicked when I heard my boss through the crowd, but I just smiled. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. People start.
And we're all done Jake's closet. So I'll give you a quick little overview on what we kept. Over to the left up top, I'm just showing you some puzzles for quiet time for Jake when Brooks goes to bed first. Those are sweaters, long sleeves, and some pants, some t-shirts. And behind that we have pajamas, and at the very top you saw we have an underwear box, a sock box, a swimsuit box for both children, and just a miscellaneous box kind of with shoes for the summertime. And down here we have where we keep Jake's costumes. He loves these costumes, probably wears them about 50 times a day. And that's everything. Here's a little overview on all the things that we will be passing on to the little brother Brooks, who is sleeping like a little angel right now on a no-sheeted bed because I had them in the wash and he needs to nap. No judgment, please. And it's actually funny, I did this whole video as he was sleeping. He did not wake up at all. He's a sound sleeper. So here's an overview of Brooks's closet. Obviously it is overflowing. You would think there would be like 3 children sharing this closet, or maybe even like 5. But every single article of clothing, again, just like Jake, is up and washed, hanging in his closet. And we're just gonna go through it exactly the same and see what we keep and see what we don't.
Stay out in an all-nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bag. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. in the toaster, waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to.
Here I'm just going through the books because I really wanted this basket. It's the third basket to match the other two that were in Jake's closet, and I really want to use those baskets for the front entryway closet. And that's everything for this video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, the whole works. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.